Would you all please stand? LJ, may I request you to plead our prayer? Amen. Good morning, class. By the way, I am Teacher Shay. Do you know the song Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes, class? Okay, let's sing it together with action. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Did you enjoy, class? Okay, you may now take your seat. But before we start from our lesson, what are the things we must follow when we are inside our classroom? Yes, Felbon. Okay, very good. Listen carefully. Next, okay, Pulido. Yes, very good. Raise your head. And next, Bea. Okay, be kind. Okay, class, did I give you any assignment? Okay, please pass it forward without making any noise and without standing. Okay, very good. Now, who are absent for today? Row 1? Okay, very good. No one is absent. How about row 2? Okay, very good. No one is absent. So please avoid absence in class so that we can learn. I have here a game. This game is called picture game. For the first picture, you must arrange the scrambled letters. Okay, Felbon, what is the answer in first picture? Okay, let's see if biography is correct. Okay, biography. The story of a person's life. It tells important events from birth to death or present life. Okay, for the next picture, who wants to answer? Okay, Bea. Okay, let's check if the answers of Bea is correct. The answers of Bea are leader. So let us check. Okay, very good. Leader, a person who guides and directs others. He or she helps people work together and make decisions. So from the third picture, who wants to answer? Oh yes, Baklid. Oh, let's check if the answers of Baklids are correct. Okay, very good. Public servant, a person who works for the government to help people. They provide services for the benefit of the community. For the fourth picture, who wants to answer? Okay, Jen Priest. Okay, let's check if the answers of Jen Priest are correct. Okay, responsibility, a duty or task that someone must do. It shows what a person is expected to complete or take care of. In the last picture, who wants to answer? Okay, Sanraida. Okay, let's check if the answers of Sanraida are correct. Okay, community, a group of people living in the same place. They share common needs, rules, and goals. Okay, very good. Let's give yourselves a 5 claps. Thank you, class, for your participation. Today, we will explore this biography. Let me show you his picture. Okay, class, who do you think the person is? Okay, very good. The person in the picture is Mayor Attorney Paulo Evangelista. What job does he have in the community? Who wants to answer? Okay, Pulido. Okay, let's give Pulido a 5 claps. Mayor Evangelista is the city mayor and a public servant in our community. And the third question, do you want to be like him? Why or why not? Okay, Felbon. Okay, very good. Felbon wants to be a mayor because Mayor Evangelista is a good leader and a good public servant. So today, let us talk about the biography of Mayor Attorney Paulo Evangelista. We will learn about his family, his leadership, and how he serves the community. Through his lesson, we will understand how he became a responsible leader of the people in his area. But before we start in our lesson, let us all read our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners can note the important details about the life of Mayor Paulo Evangelista. Second, explain his role and responsibilities as a mayor. Third, recognize the importance of the family and leadership in serving the community by connecting ideas to the life and duties as a mayor. Today, we are going to learn about the biography of Mayor Paulo Evangelista. But before we start, you have any idea about the biography, class? Okay. You don't have any idea about the biography. So biography. A biography is a detailed non-fiction account of a person's life written by someone else. Now, I will read the biography of Mayor Paulo Evangelista. Mayor Paulo Evangelista is a public-oriented servant known for his strong commitment to leadership, education, and community development. So, it is the Mayor Evangelista's educational background. First, completed elementary education at Isulan Elementary School year 2000-2006. Finished secondary education at Kirapawan City National High School year 2006 to 2010. And the last, pursued college studies at Ateneo de Davao University where he developed knowledge and skills in law and public service. So take note, Mayor Evangelista is an attorney. The next is Mayor Evangelista's family background. His wife named Angelines C. Evangelista. His children's name, he has two children named Hiraya Marie Evangelista and Shrex Evangelista. His father named Joseph A. Evangelista, mother Marilyn Evangelista, brother Jose Martin Evangelista. His family serves as his inspiration and motivation in the public service. So the next is his professional and leadership experience. Mayor Evangelista gained his experience in legal assistance, public service, and community-related work, known for leadership values rooted in the honesty, responsibility, and compassion. Served in the local government unit of Kirapawan City, contributing to various programs and services for the community. So the next is the good works and contributions of Mayor Paulo Evangelista in the city. So the first one is implemented and supported programs that improve health services, including community medical assistance and health outreach activities. So the second is strengthened education support programs such as assistance for students, school improvements, and learning support initiatives. The third one is contributed to infrastructure development, including roads, public buildings, and community facilities. The fourth one is promoted social welfare programs for families, senior citizens, persons with disabilities, and other vulnerable sectors. And the fifth one is supported disaster preparedness and relief operation, ensuring assistance is provided during emergencies and calamities. Led and strengthened environmental programs, including tree planting initiatives that reached millions of trees planted, helping protect the environment and promote sustainability. And also, Mayor Evangelista implemented livelihood and income-generating programs to help families improve their economic situation. Supported clean and green programs to maintain cleanliness and environmental awareness in the city. Promoted peace and order initiatives in coordination with local agencies to ensure community and safety. And also, Mayor Evangelista encouraged community engagement programs and public consultations to involve citizens in local governance. So, in short, through his education, leadership, and continuous public service, Mayor Atty. Paulo Evangelista demonstrate a strong commitment to improving lives, protecting the environment, and building a progressive and compassionate city. Did you all understand the biography of Mayor Evangelista, class? Okay, if you truly understand our lesson for today, I have here some questions. So the first question is, but before that, I have here the name of Will. If woman's name will pick in the name of Will, he is or he or his or he will answer. Did you understand, class? Okay. For the first question, let's spin if who wants to answer. Okay, son, I have a question. Who is the person in the biography? Okay, very good. The person in the biography is Paulo Evangelista, the mayor of Kidapawan City, and also a dedicated public servant. For the next question. Okay, Miss Kanya, I have a question. What values does he show as a leader in our community? Okay, very good. Mayor Evangelista shows honesty, responsibility, compassion, dedication to public service. Let's give Miss Kanya a 5 claps. For the next question. Okay, Miss Kaduya, I have a question for you. Where was Mayor Paulo Evangelista was born? Okay, where was Mayor Evangelista born? Okay, very good. Let's give Miss Kaduya a 5 claps. Mayor Paulo Evangelista was born in Kidapawan City. And the fourth question, let's pick the name of the students. Okay, Miss Estepa, I have a question. How old is Mayor Evangelista at the present? Again, how old is he at the present? Okay. Did Miss Stepa's answer is correct? Okay, very good. Miss Stepa's answer is correct. Mayor Evangelista is 37 years old. In the last question, let's pick the name. Okay. Mr. Ayub, I have a question for you. How does his family influence his leadership? Again, how does his family influence his leadership? Okay, is Mr. Ayob's answer is correct, class? Okay, very good. Mr. Ayob's answer is correct. His family give him inspiration, strength, and support which motivates him to serve the people better, become a responsible leader. So, I have here other idea. From the biography of Paulo Evangelista, we learned that a biography presents important details about person's life, such as their birth, education, work experience, achievements, and values. It shows that a good leader is honest, responsible, and compassionate. And who works his life also teaches us that education and experience are important foundations in becoming an effective leader. His contributions like community programs, environmental projects such as replanting and public roads, public service initiatives show how leadership can create positive and change in society. The support of his family reminds us that strong values and inspiration from loved ones help a person succeed in their goals. So, let's proceed. Did you understand our lesson for today? Do you have any question, class? Okay, so to deepen your understanding, let's have a group activity. I will divide the class into 4 groups. What you are going to do is to create and perform a role play inspired by the leadership and service of Paulo Evangelista. Each group will prepare short role plays showing how young leaders solve community problems. So our group activity entitled Leaders in Action. So for the group 1, Clean and Green campaign. So students show a dirty community. But before that, I will divide you first. The row 1 is the group 1, the row 2 is the group 2, the row 3 is the group 3, and the row 4 is the group 4. For the group 1, this is your task. Clean and Green campaign. Students show a dirty environment. Leaders organize a cleanup drive and tree planting. So what you're going to do is leaders organize a cleanup drive and tree planting activity. Did you understand group 1? Okay, you may now proceed to your group. In group 2, help mission. A sick community member needs help. Leaders provide assistance and bring the person to help center. So this is your task, group 2. You may now begin. In group 3, school support program. Students lack school of supplies. So you will do leaders organize donation or support program. Okay, and the group 4, peace in the community. Conflict happens between neighbors. Leaders help solve the problem peacefully. So I will be giving you 5 minutes to do your task or the group activity. But before we proceed, let's read our rubrics first. Content accuracy. Highly accurate, clear understanding of this scenario. Mostly accurate, good understanding of the scenario. Some unclear or slightly incorrect parts. Inaccurate does not relate to the topic. Creativity and presentation. Very creative, engaging, and excellent delivery. Creative with minor issues in delivery. Basic presentation, limited creativity. Poor presentation, no creativity or effort. Teamwork and participation. All members actively participate, support each other. Most members participate and work well together. Some members participate at even effort. Only 1 to 2 members participate or contribute. And the last is character portrayal. Fully in character, excellent use of voice and gestures. Mostly in character, consistent performance. Sometimes the character needs more focus and did not stay in character or show persona. Okay, you may now proceed. I will be giving you 5 minutes to do your task. question. What important lesson about leadership can we learn from the life of Mayor Evangelista? Who wants to answer? Yes, Felbon. Okay, let's give Felbon a 5 claps. We learned that a good leader serves the people with honesty, responsibility, compassion, and dedication. And I have here a last question. How does public service help improve the community based on his biography? Okay, Pulido. Okay, let's give Pulido 5 claps. Public service helps improve the community by providing programs and projects such as health services, education support, infrastructure development, environmental protection that make people's lives better. Do you have any question about our topic for today, class? Okay, so now let's proceed in our evaluation. Please kindly get some 1/4 piece of paper, but before that, let's read our instruction. Okay, read each question carefully and choose the best answer. I will be giving you 5 minutes to answer your task. Are you done with the number 1 and 2, class? Okay, let's proceed in number 3, 4, and 5. Okay, did you finish? Did you all finish your task? Okay, let's check if your answers are correct. And the number 1, who wants to answer? Okay, Pulido. Who is the biography all about? Okay, let's give Pulido a 5 clap. The biography is all about Mayor Paulo Evangelista. In the second question, who wants to answer? Yes, Alice. Okay, let's give Alice a 5 claps. The position of Mayor Paulo Evangelista hold is a mayor. Okay. In the third question, okay, Baclid, where did he complete his college and education? Okay, very good. Let's give Baclid a 5 claps. Mayor Paulo Evangelista completed his college education in Ateneo de Davao University. Whose answers are correct? Okay, it seems that all of you are correct in the number 3. In the fourth question, okay, Bea, which one of the following is that part of his work in the city? Okay, very good. Let's give Bea a 5 claps. Business competition games is not a part of his good work in the city. Did you all understand, class? Okay, let's proceed into number 5. Darlene, what is one of his responsibilities as a mayor? Okay, let's give Darlene a 5 claps. Mayor Evangelista's responsibility as a mayor is leading city programs and services. Who got the perfect score? Okay, it seems that all of you got the perfect score, so that you already understand our lesson for today. But before we end our discussion, let's please all copy your assignment. I will be giving you 2 minutes to copy your assignment. Okay. Did you all finish copy your assignment, class? Okay. Please all stand. Goodbye, class. Thank you for listening, class.